Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss some programming logic questions which were asked in TCS NQT. Okay, so we will discuss some question. Now see, in case of this programming logic question, the more you practice, the more fluent you will be. So try practicing more and more questions. Okay. So the first question, as you can see, you have to find what will be the output of the following code. So this is the code and I hope you are aware. So this is basically a C programming code. So a code written in C programming language. And you have to find what will be the output of this code. And the 4 options is given. So you can pause and you can try it yourself, then we will see. Okay. So this is the question. So we have to find the output. So this is just a header, so we can skip this. Now this is the main function. Now the code starts from here. So basically we have an integer x and the value is 5. After that we have a do while loop, and I hope you are all aware of this do while loop, which basically do something. So in this case print. So it do something while the condition is true. And I hope you all are clear what this means when while loop terminate. So while loop will basically terminate when inside this while 0 will come or false. Okay, so if it is like 7, 8, 9, anything, it will keep on running. The moment it becomes 0, it will be terminated. This is the rule of while. Okay, so it will do. So it will keep on printing till the condition or value of x does not become 0. Sorry. So this is the rule of do while loop. Keep doing the thing till while become false or while become 0. Okay. So we have to see what will be the output. So in this case, I hope many of you might have solved this. So basically this will be a infinite loop. So if you, it is the first time you heard of this word. So basically infinite loop means whatever while or for loop is there, it will keep on running. It will never end or it will never terminate. This is the meaning of infinite loop. So if you look carefully, so let us start from here. It will the command means control will start from here. It will go to second line and do. Then it will come here and it will be print. It will print value of x, which is 5. So it will print 5. Okay, now what will we do? What it will do, it will go to here while and it will check the condition. So x equals to 5, which is not 0. So again it will go here, again it will print 5. Again it will go here inside the while, it will check the condition x. Now the value of x, if you look carefully, it is always 5. We are not changing it. So every time it will come to this while, the value will be 5. Again it will go here and again it will print 5. Again it will go and check the condition inside while it is not 0. So again it will go to the do position. So 5 will be keep printing till infinity. As you can see, it will keep on printing 5 because there will not be any time when this value of x becomes 0. You can see that. I have never written any statement where x has 0 or I am trying to decrease x. So always x will be 5. So always this while loop will running. So it will not terminate. That's why the solution will be option C, infinite loop. So these types of questions, see, very frequent. You will be given certain condition in which it will be infinite loop. So this is also very general question. So this is infinite loop. If I would have been changing the positions like in this way or something like that, then it will terminate. But since I was not changing the value of x, it will keep on running. So this will be the solution. So now we will move to the next question. Okay. So this is the another question. You can pause and you can try. Okay, so I hope this question is very simple. Many of you might have solved. So this is basically, again, it is a code written in C programming language. See, sometime you will be given pseudocode, sometime you will be given real code. So no problem in that. So basically this header we can skip, this is main, and the code start from here. So just we have an array of length 5 and the elements are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have integer I. Now there is a for loop which will run for 5 times, and then there is if, there is else, that's all. So I hope it is clear the question. Now we will look the for loop. So for loop will start from here, it will go and check the condition. Now this condition is important. So it is saying if char of array I equal to character 5. If this is true, print %d, and then this is change the line array I. If not, then print invalid. So two things could be printed. Either you have to print array I, it is saying if whatever condition is inside this, if it is true, print array I, means array I means array 0, array 1, like that. Or if this condition is false, we have to print invalid. So the main thing is here. If it is clear, you can solve this problem. So this basically says that this is, now see, in this question many of you might be thinking that answer could be option C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But no, this is wrong. The reason is inside this if else, this condition is false. Okay, so inside if else is false, it means this will be printed for 5 times, because this loop is running for 5 from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So always invalid will be printed, which will be printed 5 times. So this will be the option B will be the answer. Now how? So if you might be thinking that array I means array I is converting 5 to this one, character 5, but no. This basically convert whatever integer you give into ASCII value. Okay, so this basically convert into ASCII. So like if I write char and then 65, it will convert to A, character A. So this is the meaning of this one. So it does not mean that this will change it to character 5. This is wrong. So this if will not be executed, else will be executed for 5 times. So this will be our answer. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. This char array I is not converting to character, like character of 5 to integer 5 to character 5, but it is changing, or it is giving the output as ASCII value. I hope you are aware of ASCII. Okay, so like a char of 65 will be A, char of 66 will be B, so on. So this was the second question. Now we will move to the next question. Okay, so this question is from tree, binary search tree. So all the above questions were from for loop, while loop, etc. But it is a bit different. So I hope if you are not aware of binary search tree, no problem, I will make you understand. Okay, so the question is find the max element in the left subtree if the below numbers are inserted into binary search tree. So it is saying we have to create a binary search tree out of this number, and then we have to see the maximum in the left subtree. So let us see what this binary search tree means. Okay, so see, binary search tree is nothing. Okay, it is very simple. Just whatever numbers you have, there will be one root, like suppose our number is 10, and there will be one left subtree, there will be one right subtree. Okay, one right will be there, one left. Now whatever numbers which is less than this root will go in the left subtree, whatever number which is right, which is greater than this 10 or this root will go to the right subtree. Like this, if you have 5, then it will go to left subtree. If you have 15, it will go to right subtree. And again from 15, if you have number suppose 20, it will go and create new node in the right direction. If you have a number less than 15, it will go here. So in this way, binary search tree is created. There is one root node, there is one left node, there is one right node, and so on. Okay, so this is binary search tree, and it is in this order. All the elements which is in the left is less than this root. All the elements which is in the right is greater than this root. This is the rule. Now we will be creating binary search tree from all this number. So we will start from 35. Okay, so like this. So just give here 35. Just make the first one as root. Just write 35 in this way. Now when you have second number 24, then start from here and decide whether it is less than means 24 is less than 35 or greater than 35. If it is less, give it to the left node. If it is greater, give it to the right node. So we know that 24 is less than 35, so it will go in the left side. Create a new node, write 24. So I hope, see, this is very simple. Just we have to check less or greater. Now we will insert next element 51. Now again you have to always start from root. Again start from here, check whether 51 is less than 35 or greater than 35. So 51 is greater than 35. So make new node in the right side. Okay, and remember one thing, there will be only two means child, left and right, only two will be there. Okay, it cannot be more than two. Okay, so the element was 51, so it is greater than 35, so 51 will go in the right side. Just write 51, that's all. Now again we have to insert 49. So for 49 we have to start from here. Again start from root. Just check 49 is less than 35 or greater than 35. So it is greater, so come here. Okay, if it is greater, then come in the right side. So come here. Again check here that whether 49 is less or greater. So 49 is less, so make in the left side. If it is less, it will go in the left. If it is right greater, it will go in the right. 49. Okay, now we have 28. So I have made it completely. Okay, so this is a complete. Now the next was 28. Now for 28 we will check from here. 28 is less or greater, so less. We will come to 24, like in here it was 24. Now again here also we will check 28 is less or greater, so 28 is greater, so we will create new, we will give 28. Now we will similarly move to 13. So again start from here. 13 less or greater, so 13 is less, come here. 13 is less than 24 or greater, so it is less, so make new one, 13. Similarly we will go for 8. So 8 is less than 35, come here. Again it is less than 28, come here. Again it is less than 13, come here, make 8. Now similarly 27 and 100. So for 27 start from this root one. 27 is less than 35 or greater, so less, so come here. 27 is less or greater, so greater, 27 is less or greater, so greater, so come in this direction, right. Again check here, 27 is less or greater, so come in the left and make new node. Last we will check for 100. So start from here 35, check whether 100 is less or greater than 35, so greater, so we will come in the right side. Again check here also, 100 is less or greater, so greater, we will make new node. Okay, so this is the complete binary search tree. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this is very simple. Root node, 2 child, again root, 2 child. Start from root, check less or greater, go left and right. Okay, now complete binary search tree has been made. Now we have to find the max element in the left subtree. So left subtree for the root is this complete one. This is the left one. As I told you, there will be 2 child, one left, one right subtree. This is the right. Okay, so this complete is the left, this complete is the left, and this complete is the right. You can see like it think like this. There is a person who has 2 hand, one is right, one is left, but in this case this will be left. Okay, because take your left as this left, so this will be left hand, this is right hand, in this way. So this is the left subtree. So in this case we have to find maximum of all maximum element in the left subtree. So just check which is maximum in this tree. So 8, 13, 24, 28, 27. So 28 is maximum in this tree, this subtree left. So 28 will be the solution. Okay, so 28 will be our answer. So see, this question, if it is new to you, it might take some time to understand, but once you understand, this is very simple. Okay, so 28 will be the solution. So I hope it is clear. So this was all from my side. Thank you guys, take care.